All right, welcome back. Let's hop into this gold chart for the week of July 30th. So, yes, this is going to be an interesting close of the month thus far. As we see again, price has bounced out of this demand zone to the top here of this trend line, right? Very interesting to see this right here. This trend line right here. That's don't know why it's making that wiggly line, but you guys can see the trend line. That's where price action has receded from here on that trend line out of this channel, right? This uptrend channel right here, right? So price is pulling back. This is on the monthly. We've pulled back just beneath the prior month's candle, if you can see right there. So yeah, could be anybody's game this week, right? We could push past that, or we can continue to pull back down. We have Sunday the 30th and then Monday the 31st. That's gonna give us the close of this month. Moving over to the weekly, we are seeing some wick rejections here, right? We have a few resistance here, that 1980, I believe it's 85 zone. We're also finding price right here, retreating from another supply zone here that's marked in the green, which I'm sure I've located on a smaller time frame because we're here looking at the weekly. But if we look at the weekly again, we have two wick rejections from the last 2 weeks. Although it did push all the way down to 1942, it bounced all the way up to 1982, and then we've settled somewhere near the middle. Now we're a little bit above the prior week, so again, we could see some more upside potentially, but it just all depends on how price action plays out this week. Let's drill down to the daily and see here on the daily as well. Price is pushing off of this 50 yet again. We've met the 50 a few times now. If we could see here, we have here, price kind of game here, and then now we were here, right? We have this this supply zone that is rejecting all of our price action, right? We have this area, price fell beneath it, but came back to it and then broke through. Price fell beneath it, and now we're right here again in this supply zone. So it's going to be interesting to see how this week opens up. Look at this red. It's an extremely huge red candle, bearish candle to the downside, right? And our price action in this bullish candle has only given us about half of this prior candle, right? And it's a technique that I call the halfer break. So we're going to see if we can hold above this halfer, or if we continue to see more downside, right? And then we would need to break this 1946 zone, and then we can see some more downside. So again, it all depends how price action plays out this week. See how this daily candle plays out on Sunday, and then we'll see how the rest of the week goes. That's my analysis for this week. Just going to see if this is that 1959, 1960 area. See how this supply zone right here holds, if we can push through it or if we see some further downside, right? So stay focused, stay determined, and y'all keep trading. Peace.